What if I told you that there was a way where you can dramatically enhance your drawing skills by making scribbles and turning it into something like this? Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Wilfred Lee. I'm host of The Artist Journey, and today what I'm going to be doing is giving you guys some tips and ideas on how to creatively enhance your drawing skills by using the Pareidolia effect. What I like to do first is I just like to start with a random scribble. I don't even want to look at it. Sometimes I'll listen to a song. Sometimes a song really helps out a lot when you want to work on the scribble. Just go for the mood, going with more of your feeling. It may look very, very overwhelming, but I assure you, the easiest thing to do is think less about it and at the same time gradually add more scribbles. So you're probably thinking right now, what is the Pareidolia effect? Pareidolia is a psychological phenomenon in which the mind responds to a stimulus, and usually an image or a sound, by perceiving a familiar pattern where none exists. Some famous ones that you've probably seen in the past was Jesus on a tortilla, Jesus on toast, Mother Teresa in a Cinnabon, the man on the moon in Mars. So I decided to do a little self-experiment and see how well it would work for me. Usually when I do one of these Pareidolia pieces, I do it for an average 3 to 5 hours. But it's always fun if I'm doing a live on Twitch because I'm talking to people, I'm getting engaged, and it always helps me preoccupy my conscious mind to them and at the same time work on my drawing with my subconscious part of my brain. I can actually peripherally notice that my subconscious is slowly taking over and I'm trusting it more and more as I add more and more scribbles. Another helpful tip is whenever you're drawing a Pareidolia piece, always try to figure out what is the horizon line. If you're curious, a horizon line is basically what you see on eye level, and that's where all the perspectives of that horizon line start to reconvene and meet. For me, once I figure out where the horizon line is, it makes a huge difference because now I know where I can start to put things into perspective, even if I have no idea what it is and why it's there in the first place. When working on a basic drawing, especially like basic fundamentals and storyboard, it's good to have 3 components into a drawing: foreground, middle ground, background. Those 3 intersecting together makes enough depth. That's where you can pull out the dynamic. If you can conceive each scribbles and things overlapping as things pushing further back into space, you're going to add so much breadth and depth into a piece. In drawing, the world is your oyster. It's you literally building a new universe, and by doing so you're gonna get a lot of weird, crazy ideas and you think it doesn't make sense, I don't know if I should put it in there. Follow those instincts to just go with the weird and you're gonna pull out so many great things. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Hope you got some really good insights out of it. If you're interested, please feel free to join me on my Twitch. You can actually support me on Patreon, or you can actually check out some of my artwork. I'm always looking forward to hang out with more people, have great conversations, and hopefully that we can meet up next time. Have a great day, guys. See ya!